everyone, a very good afternoon. My name is Trupta Kolgud Natkani. Welcome to KY Interactive. On this digital platform, we've spoken to entrepreneurs from so many different fields, and they've told us why 9 to 5 isn't their cup of tea, but why they wanted to go out there and make a difference and do something different. Maybe it was to help people or something else. So my guest today is Sujata Pohekar. She is the founder of Body Nurture. She is based in Pune. Sujata is a hotel management graduate. She has learned 4 different foreign languages and has also worked in the IT industry sector for about 15 years. Her venture, Body Nurture, aims to create an awareness about human health and the importance of balanced nutrition in day-to-day life. So we're going to find out more from her in just a moment here. Hi, Sujata, and welcome to the KY platform. How are you doing today?
Yeah, hello everyone. I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much. So please tell us, you were in the IT industry for so long, then why the switch, to Body Nurture and your venture? And how did it all start and how did you decide to be an entrepreneur?
It's because of IT industry, I would say.
Okay.
To be honest, if we see that people who work in IT industry, most of the time they are just sitting and they don't have much body movements.
Correct.
And that is the main reason that they're falling sick very easily. They are getting fat develop inside their body. So I thought it's a good chance, like after this COVID, it's a good chance for me to educate people that how we can really avoid these kind of diseases or this bulky body. We can just avoid it by having the control on our food and the body movements.
Right.
So that's why I have decided to start Body Nurture. I have started this last year, and I have also completed my sport nutrition course in Pune itself.
Okay, great. So how did you come up with the name Body Nurture? I mean, it's a very fitting and, catchy name. How did you just think of that name?
Actually, my friend and myself, we were thinking about what should we call it? Like it should be very catchy and it should suit my profession also. You must be knowing him, Nishikant Joshi, who is a part of KYE.
Correct.
And he helped me to get this name. Also, he is the one who helped me to design the logo also. So if you look at the logo, the color and the design, it is related to our body part itself. Like we have 7 chakras in our body.
Right.
So the 3rd chakra, which is we call Swadhisthana chakra. So the color of that chakra is yellow. And it is related to our stomach. So that is how we came up with the logo and the name.
Very neat, Ani. And what's written under that? It's written in Sanskrit. Just can you elaborate more?
It is Tanmana Bhojan Gataha Chittaha. It is for like the food we eat. If we involve our mind, our energy, and our thought process into it, it will help us to grow. It will help us to have a disease-free body. So that is what it's all about. Like if you are aware that in our culture we say that when you're cooking something or whenever you are eating, you should focus on that.
Yes, very true.
Because our emotions are getting involved into that, and it is ultimately going to affect our body and our mind.
Right.
And our thought process. So better have a good mind, happy emotions whenever you are cooking. Like usually they say chant mantra. So your emotions will also change, and your emotions will get involved into that food. And along with you, your family is going to have that food. So they will also feel happy.
Okay. That's great reason. Absolutely. Great thought process indeed. So, what is it about this field that gives you a sense of accomplishment or satisfaction, or, we say kick bolte na jise, what gives you a kick about this field?
Actually, see, if I look at my clients' feedback, definitely they encourage me that just because after following my diet plan or my advices, they are getting into shape.
Correct.
If we talk in the terms of facts and figures, so they are getting into shape. They are feeling more energetic. So that is where I feel accomplished. Okay, somewhere I'm giving I'm helping them out to achieve good lifestyle.
Good lifestyle, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So and to achieve that disease-free body, like one of my friend, she said when she joined office, the people around her, they were telling her that now you are looking very good, your skin is glowing, and your face is not looking like a swollen up. You are looking
very
young.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it is not about the like she's going to the gym and she's doing hard workout or something like that. It is just a simple normal food which she is having, and it is giving the result.
Good result.
So yeah, that point of time I feel like, okay, I have achieved my goal, and people are happy to follow that. They're not feeling restricted that ye mat khao, wo mat khao. I never tell anybody that stop eating.
Right.
I'm just making them aware why you should not eat that.
Correct. Yeah.
Like if you see, most of the time people, if you go and ask anybody that talk about your mom or your siblings or your friend or your boss, they will just keep on talking for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. But if I ask them to talk about themselves, they will be like puzzled. Like sometimes like I have met few people that they don't even know whether they have any food allergy.
Oh, okay.
Like most of the time people like we have this typical breakfast, poha, upma, idli and all. And I have observed that whenever anybody is having poha, they will feel bloating. They will get bloating. They will feel the acidity, or they will not feel like to eat anything after that, like not even lunch.
Oh.
And if I ask them, if you are getting this kind of a feeling every time whenever you eat poha, why don't you stop that?
Right.
हाँ. So that time they will say नहीं, ये तो कल्चर में है, पोहा से कैसे एलर्जी होगी, पोहा से कैसे प्रॉब्लम होगा.
हाँ.
लेकिन पोहा से प्रॉब्लम कब होता है, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट अवेयर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग विद दैट राइस ग्रेन, हाउ दैट पोहा इज गेटिंग प्रोसेस्ड एंड हाउ इट इज स्टोर्ड.
राइट. Wow. Okay.
That whole idea, there are many surprises if you talk to the people.
Right. They're not aware. So it's a good thing you're making them aware, and then they start feeling good about themselves, and you're doing the right thing.
Yes, that is my main aim, that I will not say anybody to stop eat any certain food item, but understand what is happening whenever you are eating that item.
Correct. True.
For example, if I talk about myself, if I eat chapati, like gehu ki roti or anything related to wheat, I'm getting acidity.
Okay.
And it took me years to understand that it is not with the tea, or it is not because of some vegetable. It is because of the wheat I'm getting that acidity problem. Okay. The moment I stop eating wheat items, I'm okay.
Okay. Wow. Okay.
So you should observe your body first.
Yeah.
Like because मतलब ना traditions में है, मम्मी पापा भी खा रहे थे, दादा दादी खा रहे थे, उनके मम्मी पापा खा रहे तो मैं भी खाऊंगी. No, everybody's body is different. Like if you talk about in the Ayurvedic terms, they have something called Prakriti, Vata, Pitta and Kapha.
Right.
If we go into the details, like each and every member from that family is having different kind of Prakriti. Not all the food items are going to suit everybody.
Correct.
But we cannot cook different food items for everybody. So that is also a catch.
Correct.
So we have to balance somewhere. Like अगर मुझे ये मेरी बॉडी को सूट नहीं करता है तो मुझे नहीं खाना है.
Right.
That's it. I have to make that decision.
Correct.
So once you observe your body, once you decide, once you come to know that okay, this is good for me, this is not good for me, then the diet choices are very simple.
Simple and
But what we humans, we made it complicated, to be honest.
correct.
कि नहीं, मतलब डाइट करना है तो सुबह उठ के गर्म पानी नींबू डाल के पी लो, तुम्हारा फैट बर्न हो जाएगा. दिस इज ऑल मिथ्स.
Right. No, and you're
There are
making,
many things.
right, and you're letting people know what they should and shouldn't do. I think that's really great. So,
Yes.
you know, when you started Body Nurture, like it's been a little over a year, like did you face any challenges or obstacles or barriers, you know, when you started out? And if yes, how did you get past them to be where you are today?
Many. See, yeah. See, we are the society where we have tremendous knowledge available everywhere, like through the books, through our teachers or friends, through internet.
Correct.
We have enough of information, but we don't have knowledge.
Right.
We are lacking into that. Like people, they will read something somewhere. As I said earlier, that सुबह उठ के गर्म पानी में नींबू डाल दो, शहद डाल दो, पी लो, आपका फैट बर्न हो जाएगा. कैसे बर्न होगा? कहाँ पे लिखा है? Is there any research done? Is there any paper available? No. और लोग बोलते कि आयुर्वेद में लिखा है. लेकिन लोग ये नहीं करेंगे कि okay, if it's written into Ayurved, I will go and read those Ayurvedic books.
Right.
मैंने खुद आयुर्वेद के बुक्स पढ़े हैं, वहां पे कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है कि नींबू पानी पीने से फैट बर्न होगा.
ओके.
आयुर्वेद में कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है कि नॉनवेज मत खाओ. आयुर्वेद में 8 प्रकार के नॉनवेज के बारे में लिखा है.
ओके.
बट हमारे यहाँ पे क्या है, नहीं, आयुर्वेद में बोला है ये नहीं करना है, वो नहीं करना है. आप पढ़ो जाके पहले, फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट एंड देन यू कम अप विथ योर कंक्लूजन. अभी जैसे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पीपल विल से नहीं, हमारे एंसेस्टर्स तो ये खाते थे, हमें उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ, वो तो सालों तक जिए, तो हमें क्यों प्रॉब्लम होगी? हमें प्रॉब्लम होगी बिकॉज द लैंड, द वाटर, द एयर दे यूज टू गेट, इट इज नॉट the same quality is not available right now, so we have to make changes.
Correct.
You know, like as I said, there is lots of information available on the internet. If you are aware, few years back there was one celebrity and that lady was saying that I have a zero figure.
Right.
Is there anybody went ahead and check what is actually means zero figure? Like, is there any 0% fat inside the body, or is it 0% muscles inside the body? What is that actually zero figures mean?
Right.
Because even if there is no fat in the body, you cannot survive. Your brain need 5% of fat.
Right.
But nobody will go ahead and check that. They will say, okay, उसने मखाना खाया था, मैं भी मखाना खा के अपना weight loss कर लूंगा. भाई मखाना खा के weight loss होगा, लेकिन किस चीज का वेट लॉस हो रहा है? आपके मसल जा रहे हैं. यू नीड मसल्स, यू नीड योर स्केलेटन नीड मसल्स टू कैरी दैट बॉडी ऑल ओवर द प्लेसेस. यू नीड दैट. ऐसे कुछ भी खा के वेट लॉस करने का मतलब नहीं होता है. बट दे विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फैट लॉस एंड वेट लॉस. देयर इज, वी हैव वाटर वेट लॉस, वी हैव मसल वेट लॉस, वी हैव फैट लॉस. दीज ऑल आर different things and we need to get into details कि यार कैसे हो रहा है फैट लॉस, क्या करना पड़ता है. So I mean, if I go into details, like the industry is very vast, the information is very vast. We should understand where is the logic applied.
Right.
Is there any research available? Like nowadays people are going behind keto diet, or there are many diets available. But we need to understand what is happening into that diet. Correct. Why that diet is invented, first of all. Like keto diet is invented for some medical conditions. And because of that, the person lost weight and people are just behind the keto diet. Like uska weight loss हो गया, keto ही करूँगा. क्यों करना है? Do you have that same medical condition? No. तो इससे ज्यादा तो अच्छा है कि जो खाना हमारे सामने है, लाइक इवन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ईट लोकल फूड्स, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ पे आजकल ब्रोकोली भी लोकल ही हो गई है. right? Dragon fruit भी local ही हो गए, तो what is the meaning of that local food? So if I talk about the wheat, in terms of wheat, the wheat which is available in Maharashtra is completely different.
Correct.
I cannot go ahead and have the wheat grown in Punjab because it is not suitable for my body. But wheat, which we call it as khapli gahu, it is suitable for my body. It is not giving me any acidity or any problem like asthma.
Right.
Like main reason to have higher asthma patients is the wheat.
Okay.
So there are many reasons. There are many things behind all the diseases which we are carrying inside our body. We have to understand our body first. What kind of a prakriti I have, what kind of food allergies we have,
Right.
and then go ahead with the diet plan.
Right, absolutely. So there's too much, like you said, too much misinformation and people are not aware. That is one of the biggest challenge I believe you have. They just blindly follow somebody thinking that it will work for them also. So educating them about their body, I think, that is very important.
And I love to educate them in these kind of terms. Like first you observe your body, then we will plan the diet.
Correct.
So I take enough of time, I give them enough of time.
Correct.
To first go ahead, just check what is happening in your daily life.
Absolutely.
आप क्या खाते हो, क्या feelings आती है. Like most of the time we get cravings that मुझे sweet ही खाना है या फिर मुझे spicy कुछ खाना है.
Right.
तो ये cravings कहाँ से आती है, क्यों आ रही है? तो आपका जो खाना है डेली थ्रू आउट द डे आप जो खाते हो उसमें कुछ ना कुछ कमी है.
Right.
And that kami is all about the protein.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have enough of protein in your daily food, like in breakfast or lunch and dinner, you will not get this kind of a craving. Initially, for 1 or 2 days, you will feel that. But later on, once your body is getting all the nutritions, all the balanced nutrition available inside your body, you will not get any craving.
Okay. Good to know that, Sujata. So, where do you see body nurture in the future? Like, what are your business goals or aspirations with regards to your venture?
With regards to my venture, like if I say small scale aim is like I want to grow body nurture. Like recently I have started having the personal training sessions also. Okay. So I have trained people along with me who can give the personal training to my clients along with the diet. Okay. There are some medical conditions or some people just want to have a understanding about the body movements. Mm-hmm. Like some aged people, they can't even do their daily work. Right. So we have the trained people along with us who can help them out to do some kind of exercise or have a physio sessions which will make them to do their daily work at least. Okay. So that is what I have started since last week. And also I'm aiming to have the sessions along with the doctors and different dietitians or nutritionists, I would say. Okay. That even if we have different thought process, like I may be following some kind of a diet plan or some thought process with me, and the other person or any doctor or nutritionist must be having like that, they must be following the keto diet or Atkinson's diet. Right. I don't have any problem with that because everybody will not get benefited with one kind of a medicine.
Yes, right.
Right. So if I'm okay with Ayurveda, homeopathy or allopathy will not work with me.
Yeah.
So we have to go together. Like sometimes homeopathy is good, sometimes Ayurveda is good. So we have to work together and come up with different solutions. Like if I have a client who is not able to reduce the weight, we try hundreds of things. And if I refer to the other doctor or other dietitian, and if with their diet, if that person is able to reduce the weight or have a good physique, I'll be happy. So though different viewpoints will be there, I would be happy to work along with different people and help the society. So my long-term plan for my body nurture is see, like during this pandemic, we face many issues. Like we suddenly come to know that, oh, our generation is having very weak immunity.
Right, right.
So instead of falling flat on our face, just start educating people, make them understand that how food is affecting your body,
Right.
how exercise is affecting your body, and educate them, work along with them, and have a strong community.
Right.
Like, the community with strong immunity, I would say.
Right.
So if we have that, if touch wood, it should not come, but if next time if we face any kind of a situation like corona, we should be in a position that we can handle that.
Right, right. Correct. Should have good immunity. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the need of the hour, having good immunity and, eating the right kind of foods to build it. So, how did this venture change you? Like, have you seen any changes it has brought about in you ever since you started?
Changes is like having patience, to be honest. Because it takes lots of time to make other understand what is our body is all about.
Right.
Like not everyone is aware that why we talk about the protein, why everybody everywhere they are talking about protein.
Mm-hmm.
So most of the time people who are vegetarian, they are like, we are not going to have any kind of a powder.
Okay.
But it takes time, and it that person should be in a position to make them understand how that protein powder is made.
Right.
What is the process, and what is doing inside your body. Like there are many misconceptions that you should not have protein powder, or you should not have protein on a daily basis, because you will get kidney problem. किडनी प्रॉब्लम कब होगा? प्रोटीन, अगर आपका प्रोटीन ज्यादा मात्रा में है and you are not having water, so obviously your kidney is going to get affected. Yeah. Your liver is going to get affected. आप पानी नहीं पीते हो, then you will say that it's because of the protein. No, it is because of your water content is less. And nowadays, like most of the time, we are sitting in AC room. Yeah. So whenever we are sitting inside AC room, we don't feel dehydrated. We don't feel like to have water. Mm-hmm. So that is one reason that we are having many people are having kidney problems. Correct. Many people nowadays, they are having uric acid problem. It's all because of the water. You are not having proper water on a daily basis, then your kidney is not able to function, and then you are having different kind of a disease. Yeah. So understand that. First, make sure that you are able to understand the basic body chemistry. Right. Absolutely. It is, to be honest, it is very easy to understand. Like right from our nails and our hair or skin, everything is related to protein. You have to have protein on a daily basis. Correct. So it takes patience to make them understand. Like especially with the vegetarians, नहीं हमें खाना ही नहीं है, तो हमें vegetables में कुछ items बताओ. See, if I talk about the moong dal, yeah, moong dal has protein content, but along with the protein, it has more of carbs. So अगर आपको daily, if I take an average 50 kg person, so that 50 kg person should have 50 grams of protein at least. Okay. तो आपको वो प्रोटीन के लिए कितनी कटोरी दाल खानी पड़ेगी? Right. So you have to do that kind of a calculation. Okay. So जब ये समझ में आता है ना कि नहीं यार, मैं तो 10 कटोरी 12 कटोरी दाल नहीं खा सकता, then this protein powder and all this paneer comes into the picture, boss. That is the reason you should have that. Right. कि आपको इतना सा खा के भी प्रोटीन मिल जाता है. Then you will not have any skin issues. You will not have any hair fall issues. Correct. Right. That is all about. My main aim is like have a strong community.
Right. Have a strong community with good immunity.
With immunity, yes.
Right. So, Sujata, what would you like to say, to the upcoming and budding entrepreneurs? Any words of advice or, any wisdom? Because they may have some ideas, but they don't know how to go about it, maybe. So, what would you like to say to them?
For the upcoming entrepreneurs, I would say that make sure that you know what is your aim, like why you want to start any kind of a business. Is it because your family has it, or is it because your passion, or you just want to earn money anyhow? Like how these people into network marketing and all, they just want to earn money, so they will not bother about anything. Whatever the product they are selling, they don't want to go into the details.
Okay.
So make sure that you know what you are doing and what you want to achieve in your life. Then go ahead with that business. First of all, do the research. Like if you observe, there are many startups came and they just shut down during this pandemic. Like many tea shops and like small scale startups, they have started and it just gone.
Yeah.
It like just a wastage of time and money. So you should do market research, whether what people exactly want.
Right.
Like I'll give you one classic example. One of the person, he wants to start his small cafe. And he want to add each and everything into that cafe, like right from the morning juice till night dinner items, everything he just want to include.
Okay.
But he is not paying attention that he doesn't have proper place for that.
Right.
He doesn't have proper storage for that, and he is not sure like which kind of a age group he is aiming for.
Okay.
For his cafe.
Right.
Like whether it is college going or school going kids, or whether it is middle age people. So you should be aware what exactly your client base is.
Right. Market research.
Then go ahead with that.
Right. Great.
There are many things, but if you look into the small things, so definitely it will help them to grow their business.
Exactly. And mainly like being aware and doing some research as to what exactly, you want to do.
Right.
Sujata, thank you so much for coming on the KYE platform and speaking with us, and for that great advice. It was really nice speaking with you. And as your host, Trupta Colgood Natkani, again, we would like to thank you for being here. And we wish Body Nurture all the best for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.